So if you've got yourself a little dude like this guy with a bunch of wrinkles, then you may be aware that pet wipes are a pretty nice thing. I went with these bamboo fiber ones this time to check them out. Let's open up a package. It's like a lot of them. It's got the plastic seal. Okay, thanks, guy. He's going to inspect the seal there. It's got the wipey. Seal that back up. And let's go ahead and see how this thing works. I like to wipe his face off a little bit first. And at the same time, I'm wiping the sides of his mouth a little bit. And oh man, he's very filthy. So these are super moist. There's lots of stuff going on in them. That's definitely soft and like quilted. I think you can tell from the video. It's a very quilted material, and it's strong. Bamboo is a strong material, and it's thick enough that even though I can see that there's dirt on the other side, I still have a clean side here. And now I'm going in and just getting his big wrinkle there on top of his nose a little bit. He's pretty gross up there right now, so it's good that he's getting a nice clean wipe. And then gonna scrape up around his chin a little bit more on the top of the nose. Now we have the corners, and I like to take the corners and gather them up. They're still pretty clean, and that's where we give him a final kind of wipe on his face to clean him up, look handsome. And now we've got a nice clean puppy. Only had to use one wipe, and I think I did a pretty good job of getting the whole thing. If he's not so dirty, I'll go in and get his ears, so I'll do that off camera, but we'll take another little wipe and do some ear work. But I think these things are super nice. They're nice and moist. They don't have any crazy scent to them. It says they've got aloe and vitamin E, and they're definitely soft and strong. So I'm pleased with these, and hope this helps. Looks like he's pretty happy with them. He's snorting with glee.